Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Shauna Arnaud. My first name is Shauna. The spelling is Shauna, and my last name is Arnaud. And the spelling of Arnaud is Arnaud. We don't pronounce the D in our name, so it sounds like Arnaud, not Arnaud. It's a French name. My husband's family was French, and so I took his name. And because it's a French name, we don't pronounce the D. So, anyway, you can call me Shauna. And I'm so happy to meet you. I can't wait to actually meet you on our first Zoom lesson coming soon. So, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I want to give you a little introduction. I have been teaching English since 1993, a long time. I've been teaching at Edmonds College since 2005, also a long time. I taught English in Japan for about 4 years, and I taught English in Korea, in South Korea, for how long? Like 2 years. I also taught English in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. That's where I'm from. And I taught English for several schools, private schools in Vancouver. Um, and so, yeah, so I've been teaching for a long time. I will tell you about my hobbies. First of all, I'm going to share my screen here. Can you guys see that? I love traveling. See the airplane? I have been to many places in the world. I also love reading. I love to read books, novels, different stories. I like magazines as well. I like hiking. Here's some pictures of hiking. Hiking in the woods, hiking into the mountains, looking at the beautiful views. So I love hiking with my family. I like camping with friends. Here's pictures of camping. You see the tents. So I went camping a few times this summer. It was fun and staying in tents with friends. And here's some nice scenery here of lakes or oceans. There's some kayaks there. I also love to kayak as well. I like watching movies and running or walking with my dog. Okay, I also want to show you a picture of my family. Let's see here. There we go. This is my husband, Tim. He is an engineer at Boeing. He is very smart. He is funny and he is sociable. He loves to meet people and talk to people. This is my son, Zach. He is 13. He is a seventh grader at a school in Everett, and he is quiet. He is also smart, and he loves gaming. He loves to go on his screen and play games or meet his friends online too. I will tell you a little bit about myself also. I am Canadian. I was born in Canada, but I married Tim, who's an American, and so I came to live here with Tim. And so now I'm an American, but because I was born in Canada, I am Canadian. Zach is also both American and Canadian. What else? Well, that's it about me. I can't wait to meet you, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you, everybody. Bye.